Hey paper crafters, thank you so much for joining me today. I love that you took the time to pop by my channel, check out the video that I've got going, and hopefully stay and poke around a little bit. I'm really excited to be able to offer some videos now and then and share my love of paper crafting. So I hope you find something that you enjoy and come back to see me another time. Bye-bye. Hey paper crafting friends, I hope you are having an amazing day. It is a Saturday where I am, and it's finally a little cooler this morning and kind of lovely. So I hope that you're having a good experience with your weather too. I'm joining you today to share with you the September 2022 Kiwi Club Kit called Create a Life You Love. I did open this once. I took the corners off. I got busy with something else and I put it away. I honestly have barely looked at it. So let's look at it together and see what we've got. I think one of my favorite things about getting the Kiwi Club every month is it's always a surprise. I don't know what's coming. I'm almost always really happy about what's in the package. So you always get a little hint from this little sheet on the front. You get a quick view of the different papers that are in the kit. You also get a quick view of the templates. Okay, so we'll be taking a closer look at those. So let's set aside some of this. And I think we'll start by looking at the templates today. I like to get out this mat because it gives you an idea of the sizes. Especially if you're not already a Kiwi Club member, it's kind of nice to see, what we get so you can kind of evaluate if it's something that you think you would use on a regular basis, so you can make a good decision for yourself. So let's see what we got here. The whole template set's called Love Life. Aw, how fun, little cuties, little cutie hearts and stuff. So the doily is template 5 of 5. This is about an 8x8 doily, a tiny bit more than that. So super cute. I would probably, just kind of looking at this and just thinking right off the top of my head, I could see this being something that I would trace and cut the doily and then use a dauber to ink these, okay? And I would just ink these so that you get that fun design. Obviously that's not something that you're gonna cut out. Maybe you have a punch that can do a design like that, and you could just kind of mark the centers so that you keep a nice consistent pattern around the doily. But obviously this isn't something that you're going to sit and cut out every one of those pieces. That would be so labor intensive, or I wouldn't anyway. This is kind of fun. You could just trace this, using some kind of a pen. So some cute ideas kind of come into mind with that. This is template 4 out of the set of 5. At its highest point, it's just above 3 inches, and width-wise, it comes down to about 9.5. So cute. I love how some of these are empty, so you could trace and fill those in. It did come with hearts that are that same size. So template 2 fits right in that one. So like I said, you could trace that and put a little piece on top. This is number 3. So those are kind of fun. You can definitely think of some ways to cluster those, keep a pattern going. I don't know. I'm excited to play with it. And then the last one is the little tiny guy. It's almost like a Polaroid photo. This is number 1 of 5. This one is just big, about 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches. It's a tiny bit taller than it is wide, but it's a little guy. So super cute little detail piece. On the Kiwi Club cover sheet every month, there is always a QR code to scan to get an idea book. You do not have to be a member to get those idea books. So easy for members because they can just use their phone or their iPad and get right to it. But if you're not a member and you're interested in looking at those, you just go to the kiwilane.com website and you can access those in the shop. You have to create an account, I think, so that you can download them, but it definitely is an option. Okay. All right, let's take a look at this paper, you guys. So lots of fun sayings on this cover sheet, and it's a pretty cool palette. It's kind of a mint green, yellow, kind of a coral color, like a mango almost, a little bit of gray, so really cute. It says things like created to create, yes you can, be you, love my life, creator, okay, play. So lots of fun little sayings on here. I love the little scissors in the camera. I don't often scrapbook my scrapbooking. I have a lot of friends that do. So I know they're going to love this. I will still find a way to use it. So not necessarily to scrapbook my scrapbooking, but something else. So we'll see. The back side is kind of a mint, a little bit of a darker mint with little tiny triangle texturing on it. Super cute. So if I'm not going to use that page, I'm definitely going to use that one. This one is full of these fun hearts. Some are filled in. I love that. That's going to go really well with that new template. I think you could bounce off of that really beautifully. The back side is orange. A little bit of design on it. And then we've got this stripe. It's going to bring all those colors together. Let me just show you with these two real quick. See that? Super cute. All right, so we got that stripe, and the back side is just white with a black grit design on it. We've got a floral, a yellow background with a darker yellow flowers. Again, everything coordinates. This has got black leaves on it, so that would go with that black as well. But look at how cute. Those colors just coordinate beautifully. So already, just going through it, right, layouts start to kind of form in my mind. Even this with this, I'd have to add something in there to help tie it all together, but cute, cute, cute. Okay, back of that one, it's kind of a softer green, more of a mint, with a diamond pattern texture on it. Then we have a light gray, kind of a taupe with some little flowers on it, a little soft flower design. Ah, here's some more black. So there we go. Look. Okay, now I'm gonna grab the green one. Ha! So fun. That's the best thing about these kits is they just coordinate so beautifully together. All right, we looked at that one already. This one is got all of those dominant colors in it, just in kind of a design. And then the back side is a bright yellow with these little arrows that run across. Cute. I think we've made it to our background pages. So there'll be two of each of these. I've got two that are yellow on one side and kind of that orange, kind of a tangerine, I don't know, on the back. Then we've got that green, two of these, kind of a really neat geometric design on them. Back side is black with that same geometric design. And then we've got two that are more of the minty color. Oh, I might have got a bonus. I got a bonus. I got an extra piece of this one. That's kind of fun. Okay, so in this case, I got three, but typically you get two. This is kind of minty. And then the back side is a light gray with a stripe. Okay, so those were fun. I'm liking those colors. Let's take a look at the sentiment cards, because for me, this is when I can start like forming layouts in my mind. I literally go through these and automatically start partnering some things up. So this one says, I love this. And it's got that cute little floral that's gonna match one of those floral papers. Yeah, with this one, okay? Super cute, right off the bat. Then we've got life is too short, love your life, be happy and keep smiling. Okay, really cute. Creating is not a hobby, it's a way of life. It's got the little scissors on there. Okay. I create because I have a need to share the most beautiful part of my soul. That's cute. I could actually probably do a card with this one for a friend. And so together they created a life they love. Okay, super sweet. Right off the bat, this one makes me think of this one with the hearts. Okay, super cute. I love my life and the ones in it. Cute. Loving times together. Make memories that last forever. The way that these are spaced on here, I am guessing that there is a vision for maybe using them with this. See how cute that's going to go over that? You could cut this piece out and layer it on top of whatever you do that main design. Okay, either that or even with this one, you'd have to do it a little differently, but you've got make memories that last forever. So you could maybe cut with that smaller heart, like this one, and use the make memories, put it here, and then this one that lasts forever. So super cute. Just lots of fun ideas popping into my mind. Talent is good, practice is better, passion is best. That's fun. The best things in life are the people we love, the places we've been, and the memories we've made along the way. These are so fun. Always remember, play to create, and then special day. Looks like there's more on the back. Love and happy place. Take time for yourself. Hello. Really sweet. And then let the fun begin. Nice. And these just some little tiny ones down here at the bottom. So I do want to show you the backs of these too, because if there are cards that you ever are not all that interested in using, they do have really cool designs on the back that coordinate with all the papers. So they're great for cutting out small things, photo mats, things like that. So there we go, you guys. That is this month's kit, Create a Life You Love. And as I get some things going with this, I will pop back on and share them. But I hope just taking a look at it and walking through it got you thinking about some ideas and some things you could do with your kit. So thanks again for joining me today, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.